Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's step-by-step guide, I'll show you how to get a student discount on Apple iPad and other Apple products. Let's get started. Step 1 is to access the Apple Education Store. Open your web browser and search for Apple Education Store and click on Official App. And then from there, you'll see a discounted prices on eligible app products, including iPads and MacBooks. Choose your iPad model. Browse through the iPad models available for student discounts. Look for graduation icon cap, which indicates student pricing. Click on iPad Air, iPad Pro, or any model you want to purchase. Step 3 is to verify your student status. If prompted, sign in with Unidace or Apple's student verification system. Provide proof of your student, faculty, or educational staff status. Once verified, proceed with your purchase at a discounted price. Step 4 is to complete your purchase. Click Select on your chosen iPad model. Customize your devices like storage, accessories, Apple Care Plus, and more. Click Add to Bag and then review your order. The student discount will be automatically applied. Choose a payment method. You can just simply choose Pay in Full or Apple Card monthly installments, which includes 7% or 0% APR financing available. Click Checkout and follow the payment instructions. Using Apple Student Discount is a great way to save an iPad or any Apple product. Make sure to verify your student status and enjoy your device. I really hope this helped. If it did, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you into the next one. Thank you for watching.